Fatty liver disease is quietly becoming a major health concern, especially in the United States. Affecting 1 in 5 people globally, it poses a significant risk of liver failure, diabetes, heart attacks, and even cancer. Known as NAFLD, non-alcohol fatty liver disease, or simply fatty liver, this condition is closely linked to our diet and lifestyle, particularly the consumption of sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and in combination specifically with vegetable seed oils or PUFAs, polyunsaturated fatty acid. So what exactly is fatty liver disease? It's characterized by the accumulation of fat in the liver, impairing its function. When more than 5% of the liver consists of fat, it's considered fatty. Fortunately, in its early stage, known as non-alcoholic fatty liver, the condition is treatable and reversible. The challenge with fatty liver disease is that it often shows no symptoms, leading to undiagnosed cases. Over time, non-alcohol fatty liver progresses to non-alcoholic hepatitis, where inflammation and fat damage liver cells, leading to scarring and cirrhosis. At this stage, liver function is severely compromised, and the hepatitis can even pave the way for liver cancer. Your liver is a vital organ responsible for various functions, including bowel production, blood plasma proteins, cholesterol metabolism, glucose storage, and toxin elimination. Another important thing the liver does is it converts inactive T4 thyroid hormone to active T3 hormone, making it crucial for healthy metabolism and weight loss. Now, when your liver is overloaded with sugars or starches, it produces excess fat, a response exacerbated by high fructose corn syrup found in many processed foods and drinks. Consequently, fatty liver disease has become increasingly common and is associated with a range of health issues, including diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. So what are some risk factors for fatty liver disease? Including obesity, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, rapid weight loss and gain, and certain medications. Interestingly, research suggests that choline deficiency alongside excessive fructose intake plays a significant role in triggering fatty liver disease. Choline, found in foods like egg yolks and grass-fed liver, is crucial for cell membrane structure, neurotransmitter production, and B vitamin metabolism. Postmenopausal women and individuals with specific genetic variations are particularly vulnerable to choline deficiency, so further increasing their overall risk of fatty liver disease. Symptoms of fatty liver disease are often subtle, but can include fatigue, loss of appetite, and abdominal discomfort. Left untreated, this condition can progress to serious liver complications. Preventing or reversing fatty liver disease involves dietary changes such as eliminating those foods high in high fructose corn syrup and limiting or eliminating completely vegetable seed oils. So focus on whole foods like eggs, liver if you can stand it, lean organic grass-fed meats, beans, and of course greens. Supplements like lecithin, B vitamins, milk thistle, and green tea extract can support liver health and reduce inflammation. Regular exercise, of course, is also essential for managing fatty liver disease, as it helps regulate glucose levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and of course promotes weight loss. If you're experiencing symptoms like fatigue, belly fat, stubborn belly fat, or brain fog, and your doctor hasn't found a solution, it might be time to consider doing a liver detox. Not necessarily that you have fatty liver disease, but it's always a good idea to focus on your gut inflammation, your liver health, which ultimately will lead to a rocking thyroid and a fat-burning metabolism. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned about choline, the #1 nutrient for fatty liver disease. I have a really cool, speaking of your liver, I have a really cool quiz about alcohol. We all know that alcohol isn't the best, but which alcohol unclogs your liver? Prominent scientists from Greece have found that one of the following alcohols naturally unclogs your liver and boosts metabolism 168% when you drink it a certain way. But which one is it? So below, I want you to click the link and I'm going to tell you which alcohol is it that can actually unclog your liver. One of the alcohols is part of an ancient Mediterranean ritual to purify and cleanse the body of dangerous toxins while naturally promoting fat burning. And it's not what you think. That's why if you're going to drink alcohol and lose weight fast, it should only be this. Click below and find out which alcohol unclogs your liver and actually boosts your metabolism. Thanks for watching.